The other thing that's really important is on the back of interest rate reductions, history says that in 2 years after the rate cut cycle, and this was out of the Australian Financial Review, we see property prices increase. So in 1984, we saw a 6% increase 2 years later. In 1986, an 11% increase. In 1988, a 60% increase. It goes on. 2003, a 32% increase. And more recently, during the COVID times, in 2021, we saw a 27% increase. So we'd anticipate that over this next couple of years, you're going to see property prices increasing quite steadily as these interest rate cuts come into play. That's just as expected, right? But if you're not using that and leveraging that, then you're missing out on that opportunity. Interest rates fluctuate, but short-term rate cuts aren't a long-term strategy. You want to be buying now because prices are going to go up. You're not going to be able to, the 27% we're talking about there, for example, that happened in 2021. You can't save that by waiting. That's the money. They're the opportunities you get to make really good money in property if you're able to buy at the right time. And now's the right time to be buying. So we're really encouraging people to get out there and start making decisions right now. Yep. Don't wait another 6 months or 12 months, because these property prices will have increased by then a lot more than you'll be able to save. So, make those decisions. There's plenty of government incentives out there right now that are able to help you. So, jump all over that.